Hello, this is Robert Redfern, editor of Serrapeptase News. Today's newsletter is very close to home for me. I'm an expert in this problem through helping my wife Anne. She's suffered with this problem for many years and she's tried the proverbial everything. But using our HealthPoint and Serrapeptase, we've kept her comfortable. Now, all I've ever heard doctors offering for scoliosis is injections of botox to paralyze the muscles. Well, Doreen has managed to get comfortable with just Serrapeptase, and in her own words, "Dear sirs, I have scoliosis and arthritis in the spine. Because of a stomach problem, I'm unable to take anti-inflammatory drugs. I used to plan my shopping trips in great detail in an effort to keep the distance that I would have to walk and the amount of time that I would be standing to a minimum. Meals out could be a very painful experience, despite taking cushions and whatever else I could think of in an effort to make the dining chairs more comfortable for me to sit on for any length of time. Fortunately, someone told me about Serrapeptase, and even though they hadn't actually used it personally, they had heard good reports about it. Well, I checked out the website and thought, no, it sounds too good to be true. I read the testimonials and they seemed too good to be true. Nonetheless, I thought, nothing ventured, nothing gained, and so I ordered 1 tub of Serrapeptase. I have just started my 6th tub. I now rarely take painkillers, and I don't have to map out my shopping trips or worry about chairs in restaurants. Obviously, it cannot reverse the scoliosis, but it has dealt with the inflammation, which I now know was the cause of a high percentage of the pain. I'm about to start taking curcumin in an effort to reduce my cholesterol count. I shall keep you posted on the outcome. My sister has painful feet and has tried many things without success. After much nagging from me, she has started taking Serrapeptase 3 days ago. I shall also keep you posted on her progress as well. On my last visit to my doctor, I told him about Serrapeptase in the fond hope that he would pass it on to other patients. He simply laughed. Little does he know the laugh is on him. It is my intention to continue taking Serrapeptase indefinitely. It is also my intention to bully my doctor until I make him see the light. Sincerely, Doreen Franklin. Doreen, health professionals are not really to blame. They have been brainwashed by the drug company paid university professors during their training. Yes, drug companies actually have university professors that are in charge of our training as highly paid consultants. This brainwashing, and sometimes bribing, continues by allowing direct access to our doctors by these same drug companies. I say our doctors because we do actually pay their wages. And even the pretend government organisations that are charged with looking after the public interest, health interests, such as the Food and Drug Administration in the USA or the Medicines Healthcare Regulatory Authority in the UK, these organisations get the bulk of their funding from drug companies. Yes, the people that are charged with looking after our health get most of the money from the drug companies. Hard to believe, but true. And, to cap it all, there is always a highly paid job available to those in charge of these organisations when they come to take early retirement, either in the drug companies or affiliated organisations such as charities. Now, only when the population wake up and realise this is a political issue, and to vote for any government that gives a monopoly to the Medical Pharmaceutical Alliance, then we as the voters are really to blame, not the doctors. Doreen, I hope that others follow your example and make their views well known. With kindest and healthiest regards, Robert Redfern signing off.